Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the home folder and how to create it and set it up properly. First off I want to say this is for Windows 2016, and I want to say there are multiple ways that you can set up the home folder. I'm only going to show you one of the ways today to do that. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the folders. We're going to go to my shares. My shares is in my e-disk. I'm going to open up shares. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to name this folder user. You can you can name it anything you want that's pertinent to your situation. I'm going to go down to properties now. I'm going to go down to sharing, advanced sharing. I'm going to say share this folder. Then I'm going to go down to permissions. I'm going to remove everyone. I'm going to add domain users. And I'm going to click on full control, apply. So now that we got that set up, we can go ahead and set up the user's home folder. So now we want to go into Active Directory users and computers. We're going to go to John Doe, which is in accounting. We're going to go to properties. We're going to go to one of the things I forgot to share with you here is one of the good things to do is go back to that folder here. Click on properties again. Go to sharing. Copy this network path. Insert it into the we want to go to the home folder here and select connect and do the H, which you can see is already selected here. I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to put in a variable which is called username. I'm going to click on apply, and as you can see it automatically changed it over to the user's name. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to go check to see if the user has access to that folder. And this, I'm in my client. I'm going to my client now, and I'm going to go check this. Alright, we're going to open up Windows Explorer or File Explorer. I'm going to go to this PC, and as you can see the user's name is there, and it's successfully added. Let's do one more for good measure. So I'm going to close this out. I'm going to sign Joe out here. And let's go to the Windows server. Let's go back to Active Directory users and computers. Let's go to GI Jane, and let's set up GI Jane here. Let's go to properties, go to profile, select connect in the home folder. I'm going to use H as the drive, and I'm going to input my network path, and I'm going to use the variable username again. click on apply, and then when you see that, it automatically changes it to that user's name. The reason you do this, I guess I want to clarify, the reason you do this, you set it up as a variable, is if you want to copy this user into another new user, you don't have to set up this variable ever again. Once you set this up, it'll copy everything from the other object or user, and it'll be an exact copy of how you got everything set up. And if this is the way you want it set up, this is a nice way to go ahead and set up the home folder. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to switch back over to my client, and now I'm going to sign into GI Jane. Click on Other User. Alright, so let's check to see if GI Jane has changed. And there we go. GI Jane is there. And you can see it's successfully set up. We can go there. Obviously, there's nothing in that folder. I hope you guys were able to learn something today. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you want to know the other ways of doing this, I can include, or you can ask me about those. Basically, the other ways are just batch scripts, and there's one other way that you can do it, and I can include links to those other ways if you guys are wanting to be more informal about how to do them. And I might show them in a later video. I'm not sure yet, but for right now, that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.